video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, the triangle is aligned in the left side. The lines are gradually decreasing from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop with a variable j. J is equal to 0, while j minus 1 less than 4 minus I, and at the end of nested while loop, we are going to increase j value by 1. Let's print the logic. Print 5 plus I minus j. Separate them with space character. After completing this line, we want to continue from next line. For that we are going to use print method outside this while loop. So run py_triangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the required right angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.